Hi there! In this video, we'll walk you through a new way of displaying your speakers. This update makes it possible to highlight some speakers separately from others based on the session types. Let's get started. First, I want to show you that I already added my speakers to the speaker builder. I then went to the program builder and I created my event program. When we're creating the event program, we can assign a session type and the relevant speaker or speakers to each program item. Let's do one as an example. Now, let's go to the event website. I want to highlight the keynote speakers more prominently on my event website. To do this, I first add a speakers widget to this page. To only show the keynote speakers, I click on the settings wheel on this widget. This will open up the settings menu on the left sidebar. I then go to the Filter by Session section and I unselect everything but the keynote session type. And now, the widget only shows the speakers who are connected to the keynote sessions on my program. Let's say I want to show my other speakers as well under the keynote speakers. I will now create another section, add a text, say speakers, and then add another speaker widget. I again click on the settings wheel, but this time I don't want to show the keynote speakers, but I want to show everyone else. I only have to unselect the keynote sessions, and the widget will show all my speakers except for the keynotes. Thank you for watching this tutorial.